Do you want to get out of the door in 5 minutes and look great? Well, I have 5 style tips that are going to get you out the door super fast and you will be feeling fantastic. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist. For those of you who do, welcome back. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm looking forward to meeting you. Drop me a line below, say hello, let me know where you're from. I love that. Before I carry on, if you guys like these videos, just remember to hit that red subscribe button down below. It is free to subscribe. There are very few things in this world that are free anymore, and hanging out with me is one of them. Let's move on. 5 style tips to get you out the door in 5 minutes. Style tip number 1, all black is your friend. If you are not a person that wears all black, let's take this to like monochromatic is your friend. It could be all white, it could be all brown. All blue might be a bit of a stretch, but any of the neutrals, gray, white, nude, black, brown. Any of those things, if you want to go for a monochromatic look, you can throw that stuff on and walk out the door and be instantly ready with fantastic style. If you're going to put on a monochromatic look, add a touch of jewelry. So this necklace is a collaboration between myself and Mango and Moose, and this necklace is made by an artisan in East Asia, and it is actually 2 pieces. You see this little small one around my neck? That's part of it. I will leave a link down below if you were interested in the necklace. This is the Kim XO Love Necklace, and we are sharing the love with East Asia. And this necklace goes to pay her family and keep her off the streets from prostitution and trafficking and everything else that has happened to her in her life. She's getting paid to make jewelry, and so she made this stunning necklace for me, and we will be making them for you guys too. So I don't know how many of these we have. It'll be a limited quantity. Valentine's Day is coming up, and so if you want one, treat yourself to it. Love the fact that it is a smaller necklace and a longer one combined. Again, sharing the love, Kim XO, East Asia, Mango and Moose. Thank you so much to you guys for doing this collaboration with me. I love this piece. It's stunning. Tip number 2, if you want to elongate your legs, nude pumps are your friend. I can easily wear this outfit with a pair of black booties. That's great, but if I really wanna make it a little more sophisticated and elongate my legs, a pair of nude pumps works for literally every outfit. So you wanna throw on your nude pumps. These are my very favorite pair. It doesn't matter what pair you have. I actually have to order a nude pair. Ryan makes fun of me every time I put these on because my dog chewed them, but they're an expensive pair of shoes and I just haven't replaced them, and who's really looking that close at one of the toes of my shoes? Anyway, a pair of nude pumps always add sophistication to your outfit. So if you're throwing something on, maybe it's a pair of jeans, a silk tank, a leather jacket, a blazer, whatever it is, add the nude pumps, and you can chuck on a nude purse to go with it, and you can roll right out that door and look amazing. That's tip number 2, nude pumps. Tip number 3 is plan your outfit the night before. If you know you have something important in the morning, in the morning you're just a little more groggy, just kind of put some thought into it and you can lay out your outfit. I literally have my kids do this, but I actually have my clients do this too. And I do it. If I know that I have a meeting and it's first thing in the morning and I need to get out the door, I don't want to be thinking about scrolling through my closet. I'm probably gonna choose all black with my nude heels. But if you wanna create a different impression or you're going somewhere special, put a little thought into it, lay it out the night before. You're gonna be a little more ambitious at night. It's a great thing than in the morning when you haven't had your coffee and you're trying to do a million other things. So if you're prepared, that's the key. And try it on. Like if you're gonna have a shower at night, try on the jeans, try on the shoes, try on the shirt. I sometimes do this when I'm packing and then I realize I don't actually want that shirt, or it doesn't actually look as good with those jeans as I thought it did. So anyway, put a little thought into it, do it at night. You will save yourself time in the morning. Tip number 4, I've showed a few tips on button-down shirts because I kind of have this thing with button-down shirts. They're sort of my nemesis. And so I have a few silk ones. And one of the things that you can do to get out the door faster, if maybe your shirt is like a little wrinkled at the bottom, you weren't quite ready, unbutton the 2 bottom buttons. You can actually tie it in a knot. It just makes a really cute look, it elevates your outfit, it gets you out the door fast. You're not gonna have to steam it or iron it because it doesn't matter. You've tied it in a knot and you've gotten rid of the wrinkled part from the last time you tucked it in. Because sometimes when you're wearing different pants, the wrinkles have now crawled up a little higher on the shirt and that doesn't work for you. So tying in a knot is a great solution for you. Another thing that you can do, and I'll show this in another video and I link it down below, is actually add an elastic to the bottom of the shirt and then tuck that in. But again, it depends on the height of the pants and have you ironed or steamed that blouse before. Tying in a knot will get you out the door super fast. Style tip number 5 to get you out the door. This one, I bet you guys have not done before. I'm gonna show it to you. You know when you go to throw on a dress and it could be a t-shirt dress or it's just a boxy dress, you can actually, from the inside, go in and make a pony on the inside of the dress with a hair elastic and let it down. It's instantly cinched in at the waist. It actually looks really cute. It takes zero effort and it will instantly give you some more style and define your waist. 5-minute trick to get you out the door. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that these 5 style tips will help you get out the door fast and feeling successful and confident and really enjoy your day. I love you guys. I'm sending love out to you with these tips. And just remember, if you guys like this video, I really liked this video actually. It's one of my favorite. But if you liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what types of videos you want, and I will add those into my videos when I'm filming. Thank you again, and I will see you guys on the next video.
Time right now, put it in my mouth and wipe it down.